Today we are reading Snail and Worm All Day, 3 stories about 2 friends by Geisel and our winner, Tina Kugler. This video will share the 3rd story in this book. Click the link below the video to buy the book for all 3 stories or navigate to my playlist or browse Snail and Worm in my videos to find all 3 stories along with other laugh out loud and fun read-along stories with comprehension questions and activity ideas to follow. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activities and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for free learning principles. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books. And now let's read Snail and Worm All Day. A bedtime story. It is bedtime, but I cannot fall asleep. I am thinking about too many things. Will you tell me a story? Yes, I will tell you a story. Are you ready? Is this a scary story? No, this is not a scary story. Are you in the story too? I will be lonely if I am in a story all by myself. All right, I will be in the story too. How can you tell the story if you are also in the story? Maybe we can tell the story together? I know, you can tell the story and I will add the extra parts. That is a good idea. Wait, what if my story is not good? What if you do not like my parts of the story? I will love your story. Really? Yes, you are my friend. I like everything you do. Oh, you are my friend too, and I also like everything you do. Boy, that was a great story about me and you. Good night. What was your favorite part of this very silly story? Pause the video after each question to draw, write, and discuss. What happened in the story first, next, then, and last? What is the setting of the story? When and where does it happen? Who is in the story? Name the characters and describe their traits. What is the main conflict or problem? How and why do the characters respond to the problem and solve it? What might the characters learn in the story, or what can you learn from them? What is the lesson or theme? What can you learn from this story, and how can you apply it to your own life? Write or draw what you can learn from this book, or draw your favorite characters from the story, or imagine a new scene, a sequel, or a totally new story with new characters. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with questions and activities. Visit Lauren Martin Books for principal and play-based no prep pre-K and K-12 curriculum and free learning principles you can use right now for homeschool or the classroom. Thank you for reading with me.